is for Whirlpool and also the A.O. Smith water heaters. The noise you're hearing is the burner. I know a lot of people are watching videos out there, and sometimes people are taking 20-30 minutes just to come to this conclusion. If you were hearing this noise, it sounds like a heavy vibration or possibly like a foghorn. It's your burner. You have a bad burner down in here. So contact your water heater company, see if you're still under warranty. If you are, chances are they'll send you a replacement or they'll authorize a repair. If not, just get the burner. There's tons of videos out here on how to replace them, but the burner's down in here. Nonetheless, that noise you're hearing, it's not dangerous, it's just a pain in the ass to listen to all day long. It's not going to hurt anything, it's just vibration, but it's coming from the burner. So there you go.